What's going on, y'all? A-Train in the building. I'm up here at the Kinley Truck Stop. Nice. Kinley, North Carolina. Give y'all a preview of some things. Something right here, jamming on them in the bathroom over there, chucking on. Right there. Straight over there on the right. Yeah. What it do, man? All the classmates. See all the trucker here. See it. One over here. Trucks up there. I'm hungry though. I'm on to the food court. I'll get me something to grub on. Let's go. Man, I'm gonna get you some souvenirs, man. Get some souvenirs. You have it soon. Trucking. Yeah, I'm about to get some grub. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute. I gotta get some grub in me. I'm hungry. Hit y'all back.